Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ngina here, and today it's my general cleaning day. I'm gonna be having my cleaning lady over to do the heavy lifting as I work on other stuff inside the house. I mean, come and spend the day along with me. Come see how I do my cleaning, my whole apartment cleaning. And before that, I have to mention that I normally start by sorting out the clothes like beddings, trousers, heavy hoodies, and all that to make it easier for her to clean. So let's get started, and yeah, stick around to steal some tips, cleaning tips, because this is a long awaited day. Like, I love my cleaning days so much. There's something good about having a fresh and cozy house. Okay, cleanliness is next to godliness, and yeah, I'm here for it. That's the dream of my life. Guys, since you all can see what is going on in the video, I just want to share with you some 10 cleaning tips you should always observe if you normally do your cleaning by yourself, or maybe with the help of a cleaning lady, or maybe you use a machine or gadgets to do your cleaning. And yeah, I'll go direct to point number one, which is start with one room at a time. This will focus, this will keep you focused on completing one room fully before moving to the next, and it will help you keep keep motivated instead of feeling overwhelmed. Are we together, guys? On to the next point, which is point number two, is always clean top to bottom. Dust and clean higher surfaces like shelves first, so when dust falls, you can clean it off the floors last. And this takes us to point number three, which is declutter before you clean. Basically, cleaning out clutter first makes cleaning faster and more effective. So simple. And point number four is use the right tools for the job. A microfiber piece of cloth picks up dust way better than old rags, and this saves time and leaves surfaces shiner. Try it and let me know. And point number five is let cleaning solutions sit. For example, if you're spraying something, spray cleaners and wait a few minutes before wiping. This will give it time to break down dirt and grind properly, as you've seen me do on my mirror. And point number six is small daily cleaning equals to big cleaning days. What do I mean? Tidying up a little every day makes deep cleaning days way less stressful. And this is so real, by the way. And point number seven is a laundry tip, which is I've said it in the beginning of this vlog, but again, I'm repeating myself. Sort by fabric, not just color. Heavy fabric like towels and jeans dry differently from light fabrics like shirts. And sorting by fabric type saves drying time. Very true. And point number eight is bathrooms. Always disinfect the hot spot weekly. Like focus on taps, light switches, door handles, and toilet flushes, because these are bacterial hotspots that we often miss. Okay. Point number nine is vacuum and mop floors last. After after dusting everything else, floor should be your final step, so you trap all dust and crumbs. Okay. And our last point is our last cleaning point, or rather cleaning tip, is point number 10, which is create a cozy atmosphere after cleaning. This is basically you can do your go-to spiritual things like lighting a candle, or say incense or anything. Just make your home feel cozy, make your room feel a home, make your house feel a home. Okay, make it accommodative and cozy as possible. And I hope from the 10 tips I've shared, you're gonna learn something and implement it in your life. Also, if you have some cleaning tips, your go-to cleaning tips, share them with me in the comment section. I'll be so glad to try them out. Okay, and thank you for being here. Let's keep watching the video till the end, and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, so that you can become part of our amazing family. And we are up to 1600 subscribers. I only need 440 subscribers. Please, guys, help me do this. Help me do this before the end of May, guys. I love you all and God bless you. So let's keep watching. a survival tip for you. It's not always about having a perfect home. It's about creating a peaceful environment for yourself. A place where you feel home, a place where you feel safe and clean and at our peace, guys. Take one day at a time and don't rush, okay? One thing I'll always tell you, my amazing viewers and supporters, is that never compare your life journey with anyone. This is me just doing my normal, a usual day in my home, like in my apartment, just a normal cleaning day, just me being myself, my realest self, and I feel so blessed and I love it. I love it that I have a space I can turn it into whatever I want anytime and any day by myself, and I don't have to compromise to anyone's opinion or wish. And I thank God for such a space. So if you have your small space, your bigger space, do it, decorate it the way you want, the way you deem fit, and let it feel at home for you. Let it be a safe haven for you. And honestly, by the look of things, from where you can watching this video from, you can tell I really enjoyed this, doing this by myself. And remember, as I was doing this, my cleaning lady was doing with the heavy lifting. That is, of course, cleaning the laundry. Like, oh, you saw how I had a lot of dirty clothes, but yeah, she was working on that, and I'm glad and I'm really grateful to God that I'm in a position to have a cleaning lady over to help me with some chores. I mean, so good. So let me know what's your go-to cleaning tips. Let me know in the comment section and be sure to try them out. Don't hesitate to share. Okay, Usigate, keep what you normally do on your cleaning days. Okay.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient